In this session, we are going to discuss that how we can handle the radio button in Cypress. So for that purpose, we actually use the same check method. Check method can be used to handle the checkboxes and radio buttons. In my previous video, I've shown you that how you can use the check function to handle the checkboxes. And in this video, we will see that how we are going to use the check for the radio button. So I've also, you can say, given the example here, cy.get, and here you write the, you can say, locator or CSS selector for that, and you can call the check function. And we have a specific scenario. If you want to select a first radio button, you can write cy.get and you can call a function .first, and then you can .check here. So we will see this thing practically. So first of all, the first practical is that check the radio button element with the ID of female. Okay, so you can say that I use this my sample page for the, you can say, different type of scenarios. So here I will show you that how we can click on this female radio button. Okay, so for that purpose, we can simply find the selector. So we will take the advantage of the, you can say, inbuilt Cypress locator. So I will click on this one, and now I will click on female. When I click on female, you will see that it has created a code for that. Now let me copy it here, and now let me go to the, you can say, simple to my application. Here I will write, paste it here, and now it has given me the, you can say, CSS selector for female. Now I will simply call the function check. Okay, so actually you can say there is no difference in handling the, you can say, checkbox and radio button. Both are same. We are using the same function. Only the thing is that in checkbox we have feature that we can select multiple, and in radio buttons we can select only once out of one group. Okay, now let me save it, and we'll save it, and you can see that it's working fine or not. So it's loading my page. Yes, you can say that it has selected the theme. So in this way you can select the, you can say, any radio button. Now second is that use click method for selecting radio button. If we want, I told you check method is basically designed to handle the radio button in checkbox. If we want, we can use the click function also. So now let me show you. Instead of check, if I want, I can use the click function. So CLICK, click function. So you can say basically in radio buttons and checkbox, what we do, we usually click with the mouse, and you can say that it actually going to handle the event on that of clicking. So I click on, I have called the click function, and now let me save it, and you will see that, yeah, here. Okay, now you can say it's still, it is working. And left side you can say the in the you can say logs also, like wait, visit, and it is this time it is using the click function to click on the female. So in this way we can use any click or check any. Now we will I will show you a specific scenario. Like you can say, for example, you have radio buttons, you have a multiple radio buttons. Okay, and that is the case that we have multiple radio buttons, and at a time we can select any one. So suppose, take the example, if you want to select the first one, how you can select it? So for that purpose, first of all, what you have to do, you have to write a common code for the all radio button, and then you can call the first function there. So I know that for all radio button, basically you can say, I can do one thing, I can write the CSS selector here. So now let me take the example of this one. So I will show you that how we are going to create a CSS selector, common select selector. So Control F here, and here I will write the tag name input. Okay, and now you can say that attribute is type type equal to, and in the double quotes I will write radio. So you can say that in my case I have two radio buttons, that's why it is giving me one of two. Okay, so this is the, you can say, CSS selector to find all the checkbox, all the radio buttons. So I will put this code here. Okay, and now if I want to select the first one, I can simply do one thing, dot, I will say that first. Okay, so it will go find the first one, and now on the first one I will, you can say, call the check function. We can call the check function also, and we can call any click function. So actually first is a function which is going to, it is something like that, it is going to filter the first element. Okay, now let me save it, and now let me go to the code and see that, yes, now this time it has, you can say that it has selected the male also. So in this way you can use the check function as well as you can use the click function to handle the radio button. In my next session, we are going to talk about the clear method and the, you can say, drop downs. If you like the video, you can click on the like button, and if you have any doubt, you can put the doubt in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it. Thank you.